Today, let's write the letters Q, R, S, T, and U. Let's start with the letter Q. Let's start with the letter Q. Start up the top and whoop! Now lift your finger, come over here and give it a tail. Shoop! Well done. That's the letter Q. Let's write it one more time. Whoop! Shoop! Q. Now, let's write R. Start at the top and go all the way down first. Zoop. Now, lift your finger, come back to the top, and let's go around. Whoop. And give it a kick. Shoom. That's the letter R. Let's write it one more time. Zoop. Whoop. Shoom. R. Let's write the letter S. Start at the top and whoop. There's the letter S. Let's write it one more time. Whoop. S. Now for the letter T. Let's start at the top and go all the way down. Zoom. Now lift your finger, come over here and zoom all the way across. That's the letter T. Let's write it one more time. Zoom. Zoom. T. Let's write the letter U. Let's start at the top and whoop around. Well done. That's the letter U. Let's write it one more time. Whoop. U. Well done. You can practice writing letters in your workbook.